So this is the state of all of my spring flowers. They are just dead. They just fried. My peppers, I got a few peppers. They didn't make it. Everything just fried. It's just too, there's no, look at my plants. There's just no cover for them. So they get like 12 to 13 hours of direct sunlight. And I don't care how much I watered them. They just fried. So I went to the Dollar Tree. I just want to show you the state of my porch before I start decorating it. It's just awful. So I went to the Dollar Tree, spent $25, and we're gonna replace all of this with faux plants. Oh wow, this one kind of made it though. Look at that. This one kind of made it. That's about it. So we're gonna transform this with faux fall plants and see how it looks. And I have a feeling for spring, I'm probably gonna have to do the same thing. Look, face follows me everywhere. What are you doing, Mom? So here is my bag full of Dollar Tree fall floral. And I tried to get a lot of different color mums because that is the flower of fall. And they had a beautiful selection at the Dollar Tree. And of course I got my favorite sunflowers as well. So some of these I'm just going to keep in their picks and kind of spread them out. And some of these I'm going to like clip and kind of individually place them. So we're going to give this a try and see how it looks, because I just don't even think real mums are going to be okay on my porch. I just don't. It's just too much sun. Now I know when like the time and stuff changes, like the sun may change the direction of the sun. My porch might start getting morning sun. I don't know. But I got to get out there too before it gets super hot, because even, here, I'll flip the camera up for a second. I'm like a flower myself, and if I don't get out there early enough, I fry. You can usually sit out on my porch from about 7 a.m. to about 11:30, quarter to 12, and you're gonna fry. And because we're high up, it's like, it's even hotter. And today, it's not that it's so sunny, it's that it's like we have 100% humidity today. So I'm gonna take a couple more sips of my coffee, and then I'm getting my tush out there and getting some of this done. then when, you know, we get into like, because I mean, it's so hot I can barely be out here today. But like when we get into like October, I'm going to do a whole hay bale thing right here. So right now I'm just going to put out some fall stuff to make this space look nice. And then I have this big beautiful cross that I want to hang up over there. So I'm going to get some of this done. I'm sorry if my hands are shaking. It's so hot. It's unbelievable.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Here with my eyes still closed, feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my sun. Feet step over splinters of the moon.